Hey, so I wanted to talk to you today on Tuesday's tip about privacy. Everybody talks about the different concerns of privacy or security in their homes nowadays. If you're living in the northern part of our service area, you know security is always an issue. And so we wanted to talk to you today about a couple things that you can simply do with your landscaping to help out around those areas of security or concerns of security. Number one is look at how you lay out your landscape. You can put some plantings in there to make it real thick or to make it very hard to get through so that way people can't just come from one property to the next. Is one of the ideas there. You can use a lot of some native plants, but some plants with some thorns, or some plants that are very difficult to get through in areas where you feel like you're going to have a lot of foot traffic or a lot of people coming through, or a possibility. Windows that are low to the ground, you can always put shrubbery in front of those or under those windows that have thorns to deter people from coming in those windows or peeking in those windows as well. So you can always use shrubbery as an opportunity. Shrubbery can also be a disadvantage as well. A lot of times I'll go to people's houses and they'll let the shrubbery get above the windows. And that is always a bad issue to have because when you have shrubbery over the windows, people can hide behind the shrubbery. They have the opportunity to knock out a window or to lift a window and then to get into a home or to steal something. The other is we see a lot of times there'll be shrubbery next to the driveways along the garages. That's a great place for somebody to hide, especially if you're a single lady coming home or you've got young kids and you pull into the garage and they step in behind you and then you let the garage door down thinking you're alone, and then all of a sudden you get out and you're not alone. And so make sure that the shrubbery next to the garage door stays down low so that way that you're maintaining that ability to get in and out and being able to see what's around the garage doors as you go in and out of the garage doors or as you come home late at night. Another great idea to help with security issues is to look at the idea of some low voltage lighting. Do some lighting around the home. That deters a lot of people from coming into the property. Or have some motion lights. We do a lot of low voltage lighting for customers, and it looks elegant and it looks nice, and it gives a second atmospheric look to the property, and it shows the aesthetics off at night in a whole nother way. But then it also gives the ability to have some light, some features of light in that. So you're able to do that. Another thing is they have come out with some wonderful technology out there, but there's a technology that you can take and set it up so that you have a Bluetooth enabled plug basically on your phone. And so I can take a plug and plug it into a light, plug the light into the wall, and then I can stand somewhere else and I can actually turn that light on and off. And so if you're gone from home or you're on vacation or whatever, you can put those in multiple places in your house, and you literally can turn the lights on and off in different rooms in your house, just like you would be if you were at home, so it looks like someone's at home even when you're not at home. So those are a couple of simple, easy tips that you can do with your landscaping inside your home, some things inside of the home, but also some of the landscaping tips on the outside just to take care of you, just to make sure that you're secure and that you're protected from those people that are out there that are looking for an opportunity to break into your home. If we can help you with any of these, maybe you've got some bushes that are overgrown that are up next to your windows. Maybe you need a new selection of plant material around the home to cover some windows, or maybe we need to relook at the overall landscape plan. Just let us know. If you have some questions about some of the interior stuff as well, we have a couple of contacts as well that do that kind of stuff and that can set you up with that. It's pretty reasonable as well. Just let us know how we can help you in securing your home from thieves.